guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's video, we're going to be doing something very practical, and that is how to use Blackseed for egg growth. I've seen these videos severally and I decided to just give it a try and see how it works. I watched a particular tutorial and I really loved how they did it. It's very simple and easy. So the tutorial will be coming up right on the screen. Make sure to watch this video to the end. Okay, so I'm starting off with this black seed. I saw them in the house. They were actually already grounded, so I do need to grind it. If your black seed is not grounded like this, then you might need to pound it a little bit or use your dry grinder to grind it so that it comes in like powder like this. So I use the cover of the black seed to gauge my measurements. You can use spoons or whatever, just how plenty you want it to be. Then I added water, a little bit of water. I didn't want it to be too much. I mixed it all together. Then I went ahead to put it on the stove for about some minutes. The video I watched says to leave it for 5 minutes. So this is how it looks like. The color changed to something like brown, and I decided to sieve it out to get the liquid because that is what we want. So once that was done, I allowed it to cool down for as long as I can remember. I just made sure that it was not hot so that it won't hurt my bottom. Once that was that, I poured it in my bottle, and yeah, this is how it looks like. So here are some benefits of black seed. Black seed helps to reduce hair loss, it helps to reduce hair thinning, it helps to fight dandruff, it helps to prevent itchy scalp, and it also helps to increase the fullness of hair. So yeah, I'm just applying to my scalp and ensuring it penetrates properly by using my hand to suit it in and massage gently. So you want to like massage gently. Unless I forget, for the water, you can decide to add something else. Some people decide to add fenugreek, some people decide to add oil. You can decide to add oil to make it, easier to be absorbed by your scalp. But I just felt this will be best for me and to be easy for me to use. So whichever way you think is best, you can add cloves, you can add fenugreek, you can add rosemary, depending on what you want to mix it with, and ensure that you're not allergic to it. So yeah, massage it deep into your scalp for as long as you're satisfied and as long as you think that it is massaged properly. So yeah, that's it. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you really enjoyed and gained something or two. Well, this is just to say that I've just used the black seed for the first time, so I cannot really tell you how fast it makes hair grow. But I do know that from the testimonies of others, it has actually helped a lot. And yeah, if you want to try it, then you can go for it if you're not allergic to it. But ensure that you always consistent with your routine, because your routine will help your hair growth in general. Black seed will just help to boost your hair growth. I hope you understand. As we go by, I'll give you more details about the black seed, how fast it was able to make my hair grow, or if it was slow. I don't know yet. But ensure that you don't miss out on my next video. If you have any questions or suggestions, kindly leave it in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you in my next video.